Very good morning to all. Sachin Gupta here, and this is the morning podcast on commodity market for 1st July 2020. In the yesterday trading session, we have seen the good upside momentum in gold and silver prices. Gold prices has gained more than 1% to close 48,760 levels, while silver September contract has gained by more than 2.5% to close 50,367 levels. Crude oil prices has also managed to sustain above the higher side. We have seen the further recovery from the lower levels and price has settled around 3024 levels. Natural gas prices has also gained by almost 0.5% to close 131.20. In the last 2 days, we have seen the good upside momentum in natural gas. Prices were trading around 1116 levels. From that levels, we have seen the one-way recovery, and finally it has managed to sustain above 131.20 levels. In the base metal segment, copper prices of July contract has gained more than 1% to close 464.65 levels, while lead prices has declined almost 0.5% to close 144.40 levels. Nickel prices has also settled into the negative zone around 974 levels, while zinc prices has also declined by almost 1% and settled around 163.70 levels. Aluminium prices has traded into the positive territory and closed near around 137.95 levels. Now come for the day on the COMEX division. Gold prices has shown a very good upside momentum from the level of $1,750 per ounce, and from that levels we have seen the one-way upward momentum, and today prices has been trading near around 1798 and $1800 per ounce, while silver is also managed to sustain above $18 per ounce. WTI crude oil price is trading near around $40 per barrel, while Brent is trading near around 41.81 levels. If we talk about the fundamental scenario, so yes, because of the major concerns of the second wave of coronavirus, the gold and silver prices are appealing as a safe haven, and because of that we are seeing a good upside momentum in gold and silver prices. Apart from that, more of the Chinese data has came on a positive note, so we have seen the further recovery in the base metals also. Crude prices is also hovering between the range of $38 to $40, so we can expect the more upside momentum in crude oil as well. Now come for the day on the COMEX division. If gold prices open between the range of 48,700 and 800, we can again expect a more upside momentum towards the level of 49,200 and 49,300. However, on a lower side, 48,550 would act as a support for the prices. Come to the silver. If silver prices open between the range of 50,300 and 400, we can expect the more upside momentum till 50,800 and 51,000 in a day. However, on a lower side, 50,000 will be our first support, and after that 49,800 will be the next support on a lower side. If crude oil prices open between the range of 3,000 and 3,020, one can go for the buy positions with the stop loss of 2,955 for the upside target of 3,150 and 3,180. So thank you and happy trading session.